राम 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 सर्वेभ्यः हृत्पूर्वक नमस्काराः. Welcome to class 71 of Learn to Chant Bhagavad Gita webinar. So in the last class we had a revision Punaravartanam of Kshetra Kshetrajna Vibhaga Yoga, that is chapter 13. Today we will commence chapter 14, and Bhagavan willing we will try to complete this chapter in this class and in the next class. It's a relatively small chapter. There are 28 verses. So let us target completing 14 this class and 14 in the next class. Let us begin. Gururev gatir gurumev bhaje Gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave Na guroh paramam shishurasmi guroh Matirasti gurau mama pahi guro Narayanan namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam Devim sarasvatim vyasam tato jayamudirayet Vasudeva sutam devam kamsa chanuramardanam Devaki paramanandam Krishnau vande jagadgurum Parthaya pratibodhitam bhagavata Narayanena swayam Vyasena grathitam purana munina Madhye mahabharatam Advaitamritavarshinim bhagavatim Ashtadashadhyayinim Ambatvam anusandadhami Bhagavad Gite Bhavadveshinim Namostu te vyasa vishala buddhe Pullara vindayata patra netra Yena tvaya bharata taila purnaha Prajvalito jnanamaya pradipaha Mūkam karoti vācālam pangullangkhayate girim Yatkripatamahau vande paramanandamadhavam Sarvopanishado gavaha dogdha gopalanandanaha Partho vatsas sudhir bhokta Dugdham Geetamritam Mahat Shantakaram Bhujagashayanam Padmanabham Suresham Vishwadharam Gadanasadrisham Meghavarnam Shubhangam Lakshmikantam Kamalanayanai Yogibhirdhyanagamyam Vande Vishnum Bhavabhayaharam Sarvalokaikanaatham Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marutaha Stunvanti Divyaistavaihi Vedais Sangapadakramopanisadaihi Gayanti Yam Samagaha Dhyanavasthita tadgatena manasa Pashyanti yayoginaha Yasyantanna vidussura-suraganaha Devaya tasmai namaha Dhritarashtra uvacha Dharmakshetre kurukshetre Samaveta-yuyutsavaha Mamakav Pandavaschaiva Kimakurvata Sanjaya. Let us start with the 14th chapter, Chaturdashodhyayaha. It is called Gunatraya Vibhaga Yogaha. So as you all know, there are 3 gunas, Sattva, Rajas and Tamas. In all aspects of life, a Jivatman is bound by these gunas, and you also find these gunas pervading every situation in life and every aspect, including food, the way we behave, our reaction, how selfless we are, the way we work, etc. So in this chapter, Bhagavan is describing the division, the differences between these three gunas of sattva, rajas, and tamas. And he also explains how these bind the Jivatman. Sattva guna is the best of all the three, meaning it's something which leads us to selflessness, adhyatma vidya, very good qualities. It leads us ultimately to knowledge or self-realization. But the ultimate aim is to be gunatita. That is, the Jivatman should move beyond all these three gunas and not be bound by any of these three gunas. It's a journey. So these aspects of how a person behaves when one is gunatita, that is when one is beyond all these three gunas, and what are the different attributes of each of these three gunas. This is what is described in this chapter by Bhagavan. Let us begin. Ishu, kripaya unmute karoto. And we have panelists now: Chitra Bhagini, Ishu, Neha, Rama Bhagini, Suvarna Sudugoni. Welcome to all of you. Ishu, kripaya unmute karoto. Self-muted iti vadati. Ha. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Atha Chaturdashodhyayah.
Atha Chaturdashodhyayah. Atha Chaturdashodhyayah.
Gunatraya Vibhaga Yogah.
Gunatraya Vibhaga Yogah. Gunatraya Vibhaga Yogah.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Chaturdashodhyayah. Gunatraya Vibhaga Yogah.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Chaturdashodhyayah. Gunatraya Vibhaga Yogah.
Uttama. Shri Bhagavanuvacha.
Shri Bhagavanuvacha. Shri Bhagavanuvacha.
Param bhuyah pravakshyami.
Param bhuyah pravakshyami. Param bhuyah pravakshyami.
Jnananam jnanamuttamam.
Jnananam jnanamuttamam. Jnananam jnanamuttamam.
Yajñātvā munayas sarve.
Yajñātvā munayas sarve. Yajñātvā munayas sarve.
Param siddhimito gataः.
Param siddhimito gataः. Param siddhimito gataः.
I hope all of you are able to listen. Yes, some of you have said that you are able to listen now. So here, please see Shri Bhagavanuvacha. Bha is Mahaprana. Param Bhuyah. Bha is again Mahaprana. Bhuyah Pravakshyami. Visarga followed by Pa is what we call Upadhmaniya. All of you are familiar with it by now. So it becomes bhuya pravakshyami. Mi is a short letter, so please do not prolong. Jnananam jnanamuttamam. Yajñatva munayaha sarve. Visarga followed by sa becomes visarga sakara sandhi. So munayas sarve. Param siddhimito gataha. The again here is Mahaprana. We will repeat it. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Param Bhuya Pravakshyami Jnananam Jnanamuttamam. Ishu? Ishu unable to. Idanim shruyate. Webcam share karotu कृपया. Webcam api darshayatu. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Param Bhuya Pravakshyami Jnananam Jnanamuttamam.
Shri Bhagavanuvacha Param Bhuya Pravakshyami Jnananam Jnanamuttamam. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Param Bhuya Pravakshyami Jnananam Jnanamuttamam.
Yajñatva munayas sarve param siddhimito gataha.
Yajñatva munayas sarve param siddhimito gataha. Yajñatva munayas sarve param siddhimito gataha.
The entire verse. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Param Bhuya Pravakshyami Jnananam Jnanamuttamam Yajñatva Munayas Sarve Param Siddhimito Gataha. Shri Bhagavanuvacha. Ishu?
Shri Bhagavanuvacha Param Bhuya Pravakshyami Jnananam Jnanamuttamam Yajñatva Munayas Sarve Param Siddhimito Gataha.
Dhanyavadaha. Next one, as far as possible, request all panelists to follow in the same pitch because we are following the same pitch throughout for all the shlokas. Idam jnanamupashritya.
Idam jnanamupashritya. Idam jnanamupashritya.
Mama sadharmyamagataha.
Mama sadharmyamagataha. Mama sadharmyamagataha.
Sarge pinopajayante.
Sarge pinopajayante. Sarge pinopajayante.
Pralayena vyathanti cha.
Pralayena vyathanti cha. Pralayena vyathanti cha.
So here, idam jnanamupashritya. The anuswara followed by jna. We could combine the sandhi and chant it as idam jnanamupashritya. Mama sadharmyam, dha mahaprana. Sargepi, here this S-like sign is called avagraha chinha. Sarge api, but while chanting together, we chant it as sargepi nopajayante. Pralaye na vyathanti. So na followed by vya, we have dvitvam. So slight stress on V. Navyathanti cha. Tha is Mahaprana here. The second ta is Alpaprana. It is also very important to chant Mahapranas, one for the meaning, because we cannot alter the meaning of the words. And it is also a great breathing exercise. I have told this before. In every letter in Sanskritam, it's very scientific. The origin of the letters also has been mentioned in the form of rules where each letter originates. And the Mahapranas have a special effect when you chant them, especially on your lungs, your breathing capacity. And continuous chanting of every letter perfectly, differentiation of Alpaprana and Mahaprana, will give you a pranayama effect. So to get the benefits of chanting, it is really essential to chant the Mahapranas clearly. So this is one observation which I always mention when you chant individually. Special attention has to be paid to Mahapranas, and please chant them clearly. Idam jnanamupashritya mama sadharmyamagataha.
idam jnanamupashritya mama sadharmyamagataha. idam jnanamupashritya mama sadharmyamagataha.
सर्गेऽपि नोपजायन्ते प्रलये न व्यथन्ति च.
सर्गेऽपि नोपजायन्ते प्रलये न व्यथन्ति च. सर्गेऽपि नोपजायन्ते प्रलये न व्यथन्ति च.
उत्तमम्. इदं ज्ञानमुपाश्रित्य मम साधर्म्यमागताः सर्गेऽपि नोपजायन्ते प्रलये न व्यथन्ति च.
इदं ज्ञानमुपाश्रित्य मम साधर्म्यमागताः सर्गेऽपि नोपजायन्ते प्रलये न व्यथन्ति च.
Next one also. मम योनिर्महद्ब्रह्म
मम योनिर्महद्ब्रह्म मम योनिर्महद्ब्रह्म
तस्मिन् गर्भं दधाम्यहम्
तस्मिन् गर्भं दधाम्यहम् तस्मिन् गर्भं दधाम्यहम्
सम्भवः सर्वभूतानां
सम्भवः सर्वभूतानां सम्भवः सर्वभूतानां
ततो भवति भारत
ततो भवति भारत ततो भवति भारत.
उत्तमम्. Here mama yonir mahad brahma. Please do not chant it as brahma. Maybe we have discussed this before. Brahma refers to the ultimate Brahman, the ultimate reality, Atman, whereas Brahma, if you say, that refers to the manifest, the four-faced Brahma, God, Lord Brahma. Here Brahma refers to that ultimate reality. So do not prolong ha here. Tasmin garbham, bha is Mahaprana. Anuswara followed by da. We could combine the sandhi and chant it as Garbhan dadhamyaham. So da is Alpaprana followed by dha, Mahaprana. Sambhavaha, bha is Mahaprana. Sarva bhutanam, bhu is Mahaprana. Here visarga followed by sa becomes Sambhavas sarva bhutanam. Again, tato bhavati, bharata. Please note the Mahapranas. Ta, bharata is a short letter. Please do not prolong it. Mama yonirmahad brahma tasmin garbhan dadhamyaham.
मम योनिर्महद्ब्रह्म तस्मिन् गर्भं दधाम्यहं मम योनिर्महद्ब्रह्म तस्मिन् गर्भं दधाम्यहम्
सम्भवः सर्वभूतानां ततो भवति भारत
सम्भवः सर्वभूतानां ततो भवति भारत सम्भवः सर्वभूतानां ततो भवति भारत
मम योनिर्महद्ब्रह्म तस्मिन् गर्भं दधाम्यहम् सम्भवः सर्वभूतानां ततो भवति भारत
मम योनिर्महद्ब्रह्म तस्मिन् गर्भं दधाम्यहम् सम्भवः सर्वभूतानां ततो भवति भारत
उत्तमम् इशु नेक्स्ट वन नेहा नेहा कृपया अनम्यूट करोतु सर्वयोनिषु कौन्तेय
सर्वयोनिषु कौन्तेय सर्वयोनिषु कौन्तेय
मूर्तयः सम्भवन्ति याः
मूर्तयः सम्भवन्ति याः मूर्तयः सम्भवन्ति याः
तासां ब्रह्ममहद्योनिः
तासां ब्रह्ममहद्योनिः
महद्योनिः
तासां ब्रह्ममहद्योनिः तासां ब्रह्ममहद्योनिः
अहं बीजप्रदः पिता
अहं बीजप्रदः पिता अहं बीजप्रदः पिता
Please note the pronunciation of this word. It is Bijapradaha. So this is a Dvitvam here. It is not Bijap. There is no Visarga there. So it is not Padmaniya. Bijapradaha, because there is a Ja followed by Pra. That is a Hrasva followed by Sayuktakshara. It is what we call Dvitvam. So there is a second sound. Bijapradaha Pita. Of course, here Visarga followed by Pa is a Upadmaniya, so Bija Prada Pita. Sambhavanti, Bha is Mahaprana. Kaunteya, son of Kunti. There it's the end of a pada, so please do not prolong it. It is a short letter. Sarvayonishu Kaunteya Murtaya Sambhavanti Yaha.
सर्वयोनिषु कौन्तेय मूर्तयः सम्भवन्ति याः सर्वयोनिषु कौन्तेय मूर्तयः सम्भवन्ति याः
तासां ब्रह्ममहद्योनिः अहं बीजप्रदः पिता
तासां ब्रह्ममहद्योनिः अहं बीजप्रदः पिता तासां ब्रह्ममहद्योनिः अहं बीजप्रदः पिता
Here please note Murtayaha Sambhavanti, it becomes Visarga Sakara Sandhi, so it becomes Murtayas Sambhavanti. Sarvayonishu Kaunteya Murtayas Sambhavanti Yaha Tasam Brahmamahadyonihi Aham Bijapradaः Pita.
सर्वयोनिषु कौन्तेय मूर्तयः सम्भवन्ति याः तासां ब्रह्ममहद्योनिः अहं बीजप्रदः पिता।
उत्तमम्. Next one, Neha. सत्वं रजस्तम इति.
सत्त्वं रजस्तम इति सत्त्वं रजस्तम इति
गुणाः प्रकृतिसम्भवाः.
गुणाः प्रकृतिसम्भवा. Ma'am, I couldn't hear you. Can you please repeat?
Okay. Yeah. गुणाः प्रकृतिसम्भवाः.
गुणाः प्रकृतिसम्भवाः. गुणाः प्रकृतिसम्भवाः.
निबध्नन्ति महाबाहो.
निबध्नन्ति महाबाहो. निबध्नन्ति महाबाहो.
देहे देहिनमव्ययम्.
देहे देहिनमव्ययम्. देहे देहिनमव्ययम्.
So here gunaha prakriti sambhavaha. So visarga followed by pa becomes upadhmaniya. Gunaah prakriti sambhavaha. Bha is mahaprana. Nibadhnanti, please note this letter, it is dhna. Dh, n and a. Nibadhnanti mahabaho dehe dehinam avyayam. So what we discussed in the beginning, Bhagavan is saying these three gunas, sattva, rajas and tamas, they are born out of prakriti and they bind the atman in the body. So nibadhnanti mahabaho. Mahabaho is an adjective to Arjuna. That's how Bhagavan is addressing Arjuna. Sattvam rajastama iti gunaah prakriti sambhavaha.
सत्त्वं रजस्तम इति गुणाः प्रकृतिसम्भवाः. सत्त्वं रजस्तम इति गुणाः प्रकृतिसम्भवाः.
निबध्नन्ति महाबाहो देहे देहिनमव्ययम्.
निबध्नन्ति महाबाहो देहे देहिनमव्ययम्. निबध्नन्ति महाबाहो देहे देहिनमव्ययम्.
उत्तमम्. सत्वं रजस्तम इति गुणाः प्रकृतिसम्भवाः. निबध्नन्ति महाबाहो देहे देहिनमव्ययम्.
सत्त्वं रजस्तम इति गुणाः प्रकृतिसम्भवाः. निबध्नन्ति महाबाहो देहे देहिनमव्ययम्.
Next one also Neha. Tatra sattvam nirmalatvat.
तत्र सत्त्वं निर्मलत्वात्. तत्र सत्त्वं निर्मलत्वात्.
प्रकाशकमनामयम्.
प्रकाशकमनामयम्. प्रकाशकमनामयम्.
सुखसङ्गेन बध्नाति.
सुखसङ्गेन बध्नाति. सुखसङ्गेन बध्नाति.
ज्ञानसङ्गेन चानघ.
ज्ञानसङ्घेन चानघ. ज्ञानसङ्गेन चानघ.
So here tatra sattvam. Sattvam anuswara followed by na. You could combine the sandhi and chant it as tatra sattvan nirmalatvat. Instead of sattvam, you could chant it as sattvan nirmalatvat. Next line, sukha sangena. Kha is Mahaprana. Here Sangena, it is Alpa Prana. It is not Sangha, it is Sangha. Bajnati, Jnana Sangena. Again Sangena, Ga is Alpa Prana here. Chanagha, Gha here is Mahaprana. Anagha means oh sinless one. So that is how Krishna is referring. Cha is and, Chanagha. Gha is Mahaprana, sorry, and also it's a short letter. So please do not prolong it. Tatra Satvan Nirmalatvat Prakashakamanayam.
Tatra Sattvam Nirmalatvat Prakashakamanayam. Tatra Sattvam Nirmalatvat Prakashakamanayam.
Sukha Sangena Badhnati Jnana Sangena Chanagha.
Sukha Sangena Badhnati Jnana Sangena Chanagha. Sukha Sangena Badhnati Jnana Sangena Chanagha.
Tatra Sattvan Nirmalatvat Prakashakamanayam. Sukha Sangena Badhnati Jnana Sangena Chanagha.
Tatra Sattvam Nirmalatvat Prakashakamanayam. Sukha Sangena Badhnati Jnana Sangena Chanagha.
Uttamam Neha. Dhanyavadaha. Next one, Suvarna Sudagoni Bhagini. Kripaya unmute karotu and share your webcam. Rajo Ragatmakam Vidhi.
Rajo Ragatmakam Vidhi. Rajo Ragatmakam Vidhi.
Trishna Sanga Samudbhavam.
Trishna Sanga Samudbhavam. Trishna Sanga Samudbhavam.
Tannibadhnati Kaunteya.
Tannibadhnati Kaunteya. Tannibadhnati Kaunteya.
Karma Sangena Dehinam.
Karma Sangena Dehinam. Karma Sangena Dehinam.
Bhagini. Here please note all of you. Ragatmakam Vidhi. Dha is Mahaprana. Trishna. Trishna Sanga Samudbhavam. Bha. Here this letter Tr, it is a Gunitaksharam T plus R. It should be pronounced correctly as Trishna. It is not true. It is not three also. It is Trishna, like Krishna, like that. Kripa, like that. Tannibadhnati, Dha is Mahaprana. Kaunteya, O son of Kunti. Here both Vidhi and Kaunteya both end with short letters. So please do not prolong them. Karma Sangena Dehinam. Rajo Ragatmakam Vidhi. Trishna Sanga Samudbhavam.
Rajo Ragatmakam Vidhi. Trishna Sanga Samudbhavam. Rajo Ragatmakam Vidhi. Trishna Sanga Samudbhavam.
Tannibadhnati Kaunteya Karma Sangena Dehinam.
Tannibadhnati Kaunteya Karma Sangena Dehinam. Tannibadhnati Kaunteya Karma Sangena Dehinam.
Rajo Ragatmakam Vidhi Trishna Sanga Samudbhavam. तन्निबध्नाति कौन्तेय कर्मसङ्गेन देहिनम्
रजोरागात्मकं विद्धि तृष्णासङ्गसमुद्भवम् तन्निबध्नाति कौन्तेय कर्मसङ्गेन देहिनम्.
Uttamam Bhagini. Next one also. तमस्त्वज्ञानजौ विद्धि
तमस्त्वज्ञानजं विद्धि तमस्त्वज्ञानजं विद्धि
मोहनं सर्वदेहिनाम्
मोहनं सर्वदेहिनां मोहनं सर्वदेहिनां
प्रमादालस्य निद्राभिः
प्रमादालस्य निद्राभिः प्रमादालस्य निद्राभिः
तन्निबध्नाति भारत
तन्निबध्नाति भारत तन्निबध्नाति भारत.
Bhagini. So if you notice, Bhagavan in each of these verses, he started with saying how Sattvam binds a person. Next, he came to Rajas. Here in this verse, Bhagavan is saying how Tamas is born out of Ajnana, Ajnanajam. It is born out of Ajnana. It leads to lethargy, laziness, etc. You can read any commentary for more in detail about each of these three gunas. It is very interesting. We don't have time here to deal with them. So I'm just giving you a very brief introduction. Tamastvajnanajau vidhi mohanam sarvadehinam.
तमस्त्वज्ञानजं विद्धि मोहनं सर्वदेहिनां तमस्त्वज्ञानजं विद्धि मोहनं सर्वदेहिनां
प्रमादालस्य निद्राभिः तन्निबध्नाति भारत
प्रमादालस्य निद्राभिः तन्निबध्नाति भारत प्रमादालस्य निद्राभिः तन्निबध्नाति.
Okay, I think I lost Suvarna Sudagoni's audio in between. Anyway, Tamastvajnanajam vidhi. Dha is Mahaprana and it is a short letter. So please do not prolong it as vidhi. It is vidhi. Pramadalasya nidrabhihi. Bhi is Mahaprana. Tannibadhnati. Dha is Mahaprana. Bharata. And ta is a short letter. So please do not prolong it. Tamastvajnanajau vidhi mohanam sarvadehinam pramadalasya nidrabhihi tannibadhnati bharata.
तमस्त्वज्ञानजं विद्धि मोहनं सर्वदेहिनां प्रमादालस्य निद्राभिः तन्निबध्नाति भारत.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Next one, Ramashankar Bhagini. Kripaya unmute karotu. Please unmute. Sattvam sukhe sanjayati.
सत्वं सुखे संजयति सत्वं सुखे संजयति
Rajah karmani bharata.
रजः कर्मणि भारत रजः कर्मणि भारत
Jnanamavritya tu tamaha.
ज्ञानमावृत्य तु तमः ज्ञानमावृत्य तु तमः
Pramade sanjayatyuta.
प्रमादे संजयत्युत प्रमादे संजयत्युत
Here Sattvam Sukhe, Kha is Mahaprana. Sanjayati, short letter, please do not prolong it. Rajaha Karmani, Visarga followed by Ka is what we call Jihva Mulya. So it becomes Rajah Karmani. Rajah Karmani, Bharata. Bharata, again and again, here it's a reference to Arjuna. So Arjuna's another name is Bharata. So Krishna is referring to Arjuna, O Bharata. And he is addressing him and explaining the three gunas. Jnanamavrityatu tamaha pramade sanjayatyuta. Ta again here is a short letter. So please be careful while chanting it because it is at the end of a pada. Do not prolong it. Sattvam sukhe sanjayati rajah karmani bharata.
सत्वं सुखे संजयति रजः कर्मणि भारत सत्वं सुखे संजयति रजः कर्मणि भारत
ज्ञानमावृत्य तु तमः प्रमादे संजयत्युत
ज्ञानमावृत्य तु तमः प्रमादे संजयत्युत ज्ञानमावृत्य तु तमः प्रमादे संजयत्युत
सत्वं सुखे संजयति रजः कर्मणि भारत ज्ञानमावृत्य तु तमः प्रमादे संजयत्युत
सत्वं सुखे संजयति रजः कर्मणि भारत ज्ञानमावृत्य तु तमः प्रमादे संजयत्युत
उत्तमं भगिनी. Next one also. रजस्तमश्चाभिभूय
रजस्तमश्चाभिभूय रजस्तमश्चाभिभूय
So here all of you please note Rajastamashchabhibhuya. So here it is Tamashchabhibhuya. It should be chanted as Sha and not as Sa. So there's a tendency to chant Sa. I've pointed this before. So it should be heard clearly as Rajastamashchabhibhuya. It shouldn't be heard as Tamaschabhibhuya. That wouldn't be correct. Tamaschabhibhuya. Here first time it is Sa. Rajastamaha, there it is correct. Second time it is Shcha, Rajastamaschabhibhuya. Both the bhas are Mahaprana, Bhi and Bhu. Sattvam Bhavati Bharata, again Mahaprana. Here Rajaha Sattvam, Visarga followed by Sa becomes Rajasattvam, Visarga Sakara Sandhi. Tamaschaiva. Again, please note it is Tamaschaiva, not Tamaschaiva. It is wrong to chant it as Tamaschaiva. It is Tamaschaiva, Sha. Then Tamaha Sattvam. It becomes Visarga Sakara Sandhi as Tamasattvam. Rajas Tatha. Here only the second Tha is Mahaprana. The first Tha is Alpaprana. Let us chant the entire verse. Rajastamashchabhibhuya
रजस्तमश्चाभिभूय रजस्तमश्चाभिभूय
Sattvam Bhavati Bharata
सत्वं भवति भारत सत्वं भवति भारत
Rajasattvam Tamaschaiva
रजसत्वं तमश्चैव रजसत्वं तमश्चैव
Tamasattvam Rajastatha
तमः सत्त्वं रजस्तथा तमः सत्त्वं रजस्तथा
Uttamam Bhagini. Here Abhibhuya, Bharata, Tamaschaiva, all are ending with short letters. So please do not prolong while chanting. Another thing to note, Sattvam, Tamaschaiva, you can combine the Sandhi and chant it as Sattvan Tamaschaiva. Instead of Sattvam, you can chant it as Sattvan Tamaschaiva. That is also correct. Rajastamaschabhibhuya Sattvam bhavati bharata Rajas sattvam tamaschaiva Tamas sattvam rajastatha
रजस्तमश्चाभिभूय सत्त्वं भवति भारत रजः सत्त्वं तमश्चैव तमः सत्त्वं रजस्तथा
Tamam Bhagini. So please note Tatha. Tha is Mahaprana in the end. Next one, Dhanyavadaha Rama Bhagini. Next one, Chitra Tyagarajan Bhagini. Sarvadvareshu dehesmin
सर्वद्वारेषु देहेऽस्मिन् सर्वद्वारेषु देहेऽस्मिन्
prakasha upajayate
प्रकाश उपजायते प्रकाश उपजायते
ज्ञानै यदा तदा विद्यात्
ज्ञानै यथा तदा विद्याद् ज्ञानै यथा तदा विद्याद्
विवृद्धं सत्त्वमित्युत
विवृद्धं सत्त्वमित्युत विवृद्धं सत्त्वमित्युत
सर्वद्वारेषु sarvadvareshu, there is a dvitvam here. Sarvadvareshu, there is a slight stress before the double sound. Sarvadvareshu dehesmin. Here again it is a dehe asmin purva rupa santi avagraha chinha. Prakasha upajayate. Jnanam yada, you can chant it as jnanam yada or jnanai yada, both are right. Tada vidyat, here it is a sandhi, so you can also chant it as vidyat, that is also correct. Or you can chant it together as vidyad vivriddham, and dha is mahaprana. Sattvamityuta, short letter, so please do not prolong it. Sarvadvareshu dehesmin prakasha upajayate.
सर्वद्वारेषु देहेऽस्मिन् प्रकाश उपजायते सर्वद्वारेषु देहेऽस्मिन् प्रकाश उपजायते
ज्ञानै यदा तदा विद्याद् विवृद्धं सत्त्वमित्युत
ज्ञानै यथा तदा विद्यात् विवृद्धं सत्त्वमित्युत ज्ञानै विवृद्धं सत्त्वमित्युत ज्ञानै यथा तथा विद्यात् विवृद्धं सत्त्वमित्युत.
Here both the dhas should be heard. So vivriddham sattvamityuta. I will repeat the entire verse, Bhagini. Sarvadvareshu dehesmin prakasha upajayate jnanai yada tada vidyad vivriddham sattvamityuta.
सर्वद्वारेषु देहेऽस्मिन् प्रकाश उपजायते ज्ञानै यथा तदा विद्यात् विवृद्धं सत्त्वमित्युत.
Yeah, so this vivriddham should be heard more clearly. All of you, please listen to the recording and practice. Vivriddham. So both the dhas should be heard. We will move to the next verse, Bhagini. Lobha pravrittirarambhah.
लोभ प्रवृत्तिरारम्भः लोभ प्रवृत्तिरारम्भः
कर्मणामशमस्पृहा
कर्मणामशमस्पृहा कर्मणामशमस्पृहा.
Here it is karmanamashamaha spriha. So while chanting together, it would be visarga sakara sandhi. So there will be an extra sa instead of the visarga. Karmanamashamaspriha.
कर्मणामशमस्पृहा कर्मणामशमस्पृहा.
Rajasyetani jayante.
रजस्येतानि जायन्ते रजस्येतानि जायन्ते
Bivriddhe bharatarshab.
विवृद्धे भरदर्षभ विवृद्धे भरदर्षभ.
So here lobha, bha is mahaprana. Pravrittirarambha, bha is again mahaprana. Lobha pravritti, visarga followed by pa, upadhmaniya. So it becomes lobha pravrittirarambha. Karmanamashamaha spriha, visarga followed by sa, karmanamashamaspриha. Rajasyetani jayante, vivriddhe. Dha is mahaprana here. Bharatarshab. Both the bhas are mahaprana. Lobha pravrittirarambha karmanamashamaspriha.
लोभ प्रवृत्तिरारम्भः
Tirarambha. It's not pravritti.
लोभ प्रवृत्तिरारम्भः कर्मणामशमस्पृहा लोभ प्रवृत्तिरारम्भः कर्मणामशमस्पृहा.
Rajasyetani jayante bivriddhe bharatarshab.
Sorry. रजस्येतानि जायन्ते विवृद्धे भरदर्षभ रजस्येतानि जायन्ते विवृद्धे भरदर्षभ.
लोभः प्रवृत्तिरारम्भः कर्मणामशमस्पृहा. रजस्येतानि जायन्ते विवृद्धे भरतर्षभ.
लोभ प्रवृत्तिरारम्भः कर्मणामशमस्पृहा रजस्येतानि जायन्ते विवृद्धे भरदर्षभ.
उत्तमं भगिनी, धन्यवादाः. नेक्स्ट वन प्रियदर्शिनी पळनि भगिनी. नेक्स्ट वर्स. अप्रकाशो प्रवृत्तिश्च
अप्रकाशो प्रवृत्तिश्च अप्रकाशो प्रवृत्तिश्च
प्रमादो मोह एव च.
प्रमादो मोह एव च प्रमादो मोह एव च
तमस्येतानि जायन्ते
तमस्येतानि जायन्ते तमस्येतानि जायन्ते
विवृद्धे कुरु नन्दन.
विवृद्धे कुरु नन्दन विवृद्धे कुरु नन्दन
Aprakasho pravrittischa. So this is avagraha chinha, and here cha is a short letter, so please do not prolong it. Pramado moha evacha, again short letter. Vibridhe dha mahaprana. Kurunandana, na is again a short letter. Aprakasho pravrittischa. Pramado moha evacha.
अप्रकाशो प्रवृत्तिश्च प्रमादो मोह एव च अप्रकाशो प्रवृत्तिश्च प्रमादो मोह एव च.
All of you please note here, it is aprakasho pravrittischa. You should not chant it as cha. It is not cha, cha. There is a slight difference. All of you should be very careful while chanting this. Whenever cha is there, it is sha, shiva sha, not sa. Tamasyetani jayante vibridhe kuru nandana.
तमस्एतानि जायन्ते विवृद्धे कुरु नन्दन तमस्एतानि जायन्ते विवृद्धे कुरु नन्दन
अप्रकाशो प्रवृत्तिश्च प्रमादो मोह एव च तमस्येतानि जायन्ते विवृद्धे कुरु नन्दन.
अप्रकाशो प्रवृत्तिश्च प्रमादो मोह एव च तमस्एतानि जायन्ते विवृद्धे कुरु नन्दन.
Uttamam Bhagini, before I move to the next verse, there was a question about the previous verse. I will just answer it quickly. It is Bharatarshaba, Uma Bhagini. This Bharatarshaba, it is not da, it is not Bharatarshaba, no. It is Bharatarshaba, ta. It is not da. Sometimes I've heard that there is a tendency to chant thus as thus. That is wrong. Thus should be chanted as thus only. We have two letters, ta and the. They are separate letters. Vibridhe. So if you see here, this da is present. Here what we have is ta. It is not da. So it should be chanted as Bharatarshaba. Bharata. It is not Bharada. It is not the. Similarly, ka also should be chanted as only as ka and not as ga. They are not the same. Ka, kha, ga. There are two different letters. Ka, ga are different. Ta, da are different. Similarly, pa and ba are also different. There is also a tendency sometimes to chant ba instead of pa. That is also not correct. Because we have separate letters, they have to be chanted separately. Pa, pa, ba. So you have to chant it only as pa when it is pa, and ba when it is ba. I hope that is clear. Please be very clear, all of you. It is Bharatarshaba, not Bharadarshaba. It is wrong if you chant it as the. I hope that is clear. That is for all cases. Whenever you find the ta in Sanskritam, ta should be chanted as ta and not as the. If there is any doubt regarding that, please clear it right away. Now, Priyadarshini Bhagini, the 14th verse. Satyada sattve pravriddhetu.
यथा सत्त्वे प्रवृद्धेषु यथा सत्त्वे प्रवृद्धेषु
Pralayayati dehabhrit.
प्रलयैयादिदेहभृद् प्रलयैयादिदेहभृद्
Tadottamvidan lokan.
तदोत्तमविदान् लोकान् तदोत्तमविदान् लोकान्
अमलान् प्रतिपद्यते
अमलान् प्रतिपद्यते अमलान् प्रतिपद्यते
Here again, yada sattve pravriddhe tu, dha is mahaprana, tu is a hasva, don't prolong it. Pralayam yati, you can also chant it as pralayam yati or pralayai yati. Deha bhrit, here again the ta should be clear, please all of you. Every time you chant ta, please remember, you hear for yourself, listen whether you're chanting it as ta or the. Pralayai yati Deha Bhrit. So it's very clear. The Deha is different from Bhrit. These two letters are different. Yati, Deha, Bhrit. Please do not interchange the and the. Tadottama Vidam. Here again, Tadottama. Do and ta, they are different letters. Tadottama Vidam Lokan. You can chant it as Tadottama Vidam Lokan or Tadottama Vidal Lokan. That is with the second la, that is also correct. Amalan Pratipadyate. Yada Sattve Pravriddhetu Pralayayati Deha Bhrit.
यथा सत्त्वे प्रवृद्धेतु प्रलयैयादिदेहभृत् यदा सत्त्वे प्रवृद्धेतु प्रलयैयादिदेहभृत्
Tadottama Vidal Lokan Amalan Pratipadyate.
तदोत्तमविदान् लोकान् अमलान् प्रतिपद्यते तदोत्तमविदान् लोकान् अमलान् प्रतिपद्यते
Yada Sattve Pravriddhetu Pralayayati Deha Bhrit. Tadottama Vidal Lokan Amalan Pratipadyate.
यदा सत्त्वे प्रवृद्धेतु प्रलयैयादिदेहभृत् तदोत्तमविदान् लोकान् अमलान् प्रतिपद्यते
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini Uttamam. So I will chant all the 14 verses as a quick recap of what we have learned today. Darshravi Mahodaya, there are 28 verses. So this class 14, hopefully next class 14, and then we are going to be done with this chapter. So now a quick recap. I know it's 5 past 6, but quickly we will just recap these 14 verses. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Chaturdashodhyayah Gunatraya Vibhaga Yogaha. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Param Bhuya Pravakshyami Jnananang Jnanamuttamam Yajñatva Munayas Sarve Param Siddhimito Gataha Idang Jnanamupashritya Mama Sadharmyamagataha Sarge Pinopajayante Pralayena Vyathanti cha Mama yo nirmahad brahma Tasmin garbham dadhamyaham Sambhavas sarvabhutanam Tato bhavati bharata Sarvayonishu kaunteya Murtaya sambhavanti yaha Tasam brahma mahadyonihi Aham bija pradah पिता सत्वं रजस्तम इति गुणाः प्रकृतिसम्भवाः निबध्नन्ति महाबाहो देहे देहिनमव्ययम् तत्र सत्त्वं निर्मलत्वात् प्रकाशकमनामयम् सुखसङ्गेन बध्नाति ज्ञानसङ्गेन चानघ रजो रागात्मकं विद्धि तृष्णासङ्गसमुद्भवम् तन्निबध्नाति कौन्तेय कर्मसङ्गेन देहिनम् तमस्त्वज्ञानजं विद्धि मोहनं सर्वदेहिनां प्रमादालस्य निद्राभिः तन्निबध्नाति भारत सत्वं सुखे संजयति रजः कर्मणि भारत ज्ञानमावृत्य तु तमः प्रमादे संजयत्युत रजस्तमश्चाभिभूय सत्वं भवति भारत रजः सत्वं तमश्चैव तमः सत्वं रजस्तथा सर्वद्वारेषु देहेऽस्मिन् प्रकाश उपजायते ज्ञानं यदा तदा विद्याद् विवृद्धं सत्वमित्युत लोभः प्रवृत्तिरारम्भः कर्मणामशमस्पृहा रजस्येतानि जायन्ते विवृद्धे भरतर्षभ अप्रकाशो प्रवृत्तिश्च प्रमादो मोह एव च तमस्येतानि जायन्ते विवृद्धे कुरु नन्दन यदा सत्त्वे प्रवृद्धे तु प्रलयं याति देहभृत् तदोत्तमविदान् लोकान् अमलान् प्रतिपद्यते यत्र योगेश्वरः कृष्णः यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः तत्र श्रीर्विजयो भूतिः ध्रुवा नीतिर्मतिर्मम. Some of you have said there are 27 verses. Sorry, let me also check. Maybe I got the number wrong. Maybe I will check. So yeah, so either 27 or 28. I will check the exact number. Anyway, the remaining verses, whether they are 13 or 14, we will complete them in the next class. Thank you all so much for attending. Thank you to the panelists. We will conclude with Shanti Mantraha. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Sarvebhyah dhanyavadaha. If there are any emails which I haven't replied to, please resend the email to me because there are multiple emails from many classes. So there is a possibility that I might have missed replying. I'm sorry about that. In case I haven't replied and it's been more than a week or so, please resend the email to me. Dhanyavadaha. Agami Shanivasare Punarmilamaha. We will meet at the same time next Saturday. Please practice the verses which are taught. Dhanyavadaha.